Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, and if you're guys trying to find the fuse guys for the sound and for the amplifier, stay with us and we'll explain guys where that fuse is located. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, including this Dodge Dart. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please take advantage, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Hopefully guys we'll be able to teach you how to fix your car for free. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can buy car parts, tools, anything like that for a super good price and fast shipping as well. So first thing guys, let's go ahead and open the hood. Now some of you guys will not have amplifier. It depends if you have the which sound system you have. This is a 2015 GT, okay, Dodge Dart GT, and I'm going to go inside. I'll show you guys. This one has the, okay, let me show you. This one has the Alpine premium system, okay, with the touch screen. If you have that, most likely you have amplifier. So we're going to guys explain where to find that fuse. You have two fuse boxes inside, but it's not there, it's actually under the hood guys, okay, right here. You need to open the hood, and by your car battery right here you're going to notice that you have a fuse box. This is the fuse box. So how you guys open that? There is a thing that you press in and you pull up, okay, and then you pull it out. On the back side you're going to notice guys that you have fuse numbers and relays as well. The one with T is a relay, the one with F is a fuse. Now if you need replacement fuses or anything like that guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. We can get them for super good price as well. Now the fuse that we're looking at guys, okay, we need to locate the fuse guys. For the amp is actually fuse number F82, F82, this one right here. Whoever number those, I don't know what they had in mind, but it's terrible. It goes 82 0481 21. So this is a big fuse guys, okay, big fuse, 30 amp fuse right here. So the very first fuse guys right here, this is the one for the amplifier, 30 amp fuse. So if you need to remove it, just grab it with needle pliers, pull it out, replace it guys. We have the video, we'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase new ones from. So you can see that's where guys that fuse is located for the sound amp. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Please leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.